Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 10 idioms that you can use to sound like more native and more English speaker. السلام عليكم، مرحبا أصدقائي في فيديو جديد. في هذا الفيديو سنتعلم معا أهم 10 عبارات اصطلاحية في اللغة الإنجليزية والتي ستجعل من لغتك تبدو أكثر طبيعية وأكثر جمالا. Number 1. A piece of cake. A piece of cake, which means something very easy to do. يعني تستعمل للتعبير عن سهولة فعل شيء ما. Example: They said the test would be difficult, but it was a piece of cake. Number 2. To beat the clock. To beat the clock, which means to finish doing something before time is up. وتعني إنهاء فعل ما قبل وقته تماما. Example: They managed to beat the clock and arrive a few minutes before the conference started. Number 3. To cut somebody some slack. To cut somebody some slack means to give somebody a break, to stop judging him so hard. وتعني أن تعطي لشخص ما مجالا وتدعه يأخذ وقته لأداء فعل ما. Example: I was really busy last week and couldn't finish the report. Cut me some slack and I'll do it by tomorrow. Number 4. To be in somebody's shoes. To be in somebody's shoes means to be in somebody's position. يعني أن تضع نفسك في مكان شخص ما. Example: If I were in your shoes, I would not choose that job. Number 5. To add fuel to the fire. To add fuel to the fire means to make problems and things worse. يعني أن تجعل الأمور أسوأ. Example: John only added fuel to the fire when he accused the other team of cheating. Number 6. A drop in the ocean. A drop in the ocean means an amount that is so small that it does not make an important difference or have such effect. وتعني في اللغة العربية قطرة من بحر، يعني الدلالة على شيء صغير جدا، كمية صغيرة جدا لا تؤثر. Example: I always try to give money to charity, but sometimes I feel it is just a drop in the ocean. Number 7. The ball is in your court. The ball is in your court means it's your turn to make the next step or decision. وتعني في اللغة العربية نقول الكرة في ملعبكم، يعني إنه دورك لأن تتخذ القرار. Example: His family and friends have requested him to apologize to his boss to save his job. The ball is in his court now. Number 8. Actions speak louder than words. Actions speak louder than words means it's better to do something rather than just talk about it. يعني أن تبدأ بتطبيق ما تقول بدلاً من أن تبقى تتحدث حوله. Example: You always speak of the importance of charity, but never do anything. Actions speak louder than words. Number 9. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Used to tell somebody to slow down or stop and consider their action or decision. وتعني تريث، تمهل أو توقف. Example: Hold your horses. I never said I would be part of your plan. Number 10. To keep something under your hat. To keep something under your hat means to keep secret. يعني أن تحافظ على سر. Example: I'll only tell you if you promise to keep it under your hat.